This is why you should carefully hold your tools and maybe wear steel toe boots and not hey dude shoes. That is where the knife ended up, in our floor.
All right, I think that's it.
All right. She rocked fully in the laundry room.
Tape and mud.
Tape, mud, paint. We'll back up the stuff.
And then get back to the bathroom. All right, the dreaded tape and mudding is all done, well, at least round one. So we'll let this set up and we'll put a second coat on later today. All right, got all the mud on, final coat sanded, now I'm throwing on some primer. So we can paint this thing and put the shelves up and be done with it. First coat of paint.
Looks real nice. Look at the ceiling. No more big brown spot.
Real nice, Clark.
And here we have a picture of Paul in his natural habitat
Yeah.
of working while I watch him.
What the?
I'm just kidding. Painting is, I can paint. I like to paint. It's just, I'm a little bit messier than he is.
I don't like painting.
No, he doesn't like painting.
But we're almost done with this room.
Yeah. Oh, and did you go up there? He forgot that the first time.
Which is awesome.
Yeah. We always have to kind of forget something.
Yeah, it wouldn't be a project without it.
No, we always gotta have a moment. But pretty soon I'll have my laundry room back.
Hallelujah.
Yay! So we can have one less mess.
Everything's painted, done, so now we can start putting things back together again.
All right, you ready?
No, he's tightening up the bit.
I'll push this side, you push that
I'm
side.
gonna push the whole thing.
You can't, you gotta rock it. Here, I'll do this side. How do you do your side? Just.
Oh man, front of those are dusty.
It's hard with socks on, I'm not gonna lie.
You gotta put a little muscle in it.
So how does that put muscle in it?
So you're gonna push, I'm gonna push this way, you're gonna push this way.
So you're gonna pinch my fingers on the walls.
Well, be careful.
Well, anyway, I push my...
Yep. So, we'll go 16 over. Yep. And then we'll go over here 16, alright? Yep. Alright, there's
All right.
three studs.
3 studs found with a nail.
Make a mess again. I really shouldn't fall off the wall. It's the one thing in the closet we didn't remove were those 2 mollies.
Handy.
Yep, there. All right. something in the way. I swear.
Is this a one-person job?
Maybe, yeah. As soon as I get one screw started.
You're gonna lift the door up and put the screw in?
Yep.
You're talented.
There we go.
There we go. She knows what she's doing. Okay. Ooh, that's so movie.
So what?
It moves.
Yeah, I think until you get the shelf on it. So that thing sits on top of those brackets?
Uh-huh.
Is that the way it was before?
Maybe this high?
Yeah.
No, I never had it up this high. The middle, right, has to go in first.
Maybe?
It has the biggest lip. Yep. Yep. You can go. Well, that's fine like that, I guess.
I think so.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Are we missing a bracket? Oh no, you have one down there.
Do we have 2 more?
Yes.
Maybe here? I'll grab a laundry bottle right there.
One way to do it.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Yep. It's kind of nice because it protects
Yeah, there we go.
what's in front of the outlet, you know what I mean? So it's kind of nice.
Yeah, it gives like a mid.
Yeah. Ooh, it is plastic.
It's not.
I'll destroy it. Alright, look, that'll fall off. I love it when a plan comes together. Okay, polyboard. Now this one's gonna be a little tricky. Will that stay there? Wow. Not so sure how, but
Oh boy.
what a mess. We got it all out. A lot more. It's a little more widespread than we thought. I thought it was going to be like a 2 square foot hole, but unfortunately not. It's probably 6 feet wide and I don't know, 5 feet down. Jayme got her shelf liners in. Now it's time to fill this thing, I think. This vent pipe, we have to move over here. So in order to do that, I've got to cut 1.5 inches. Well, what I thought was 1.5 inches hole, and I got very excited because I had 1.5 inches bit. Very excited. And then I got home and I realized that that's the inside diameter of the pipe. So I think the 27th trip to Home Depot and Lowe's, I picked up a 2.5 inch drill bit. So that should do both the 1.5 inch pipe, and then I have 2-inch drain pipe over there. So this should do both. Fingers crossed. Let's start drilling this hole here to make room for this Y connection. So it'll come up, put a hole through this 2.5 inch hole through that floor joist, so I can tie into the vent there with a 90, come over, another 90 down, and then connect into my Y. Got to get the intersection point for that 1.5 inch pipe up here. Alright, so I got my top 2 plates on. And I got this one stud in the end. Alright, I started cutting the old vent pipe out. So let's see if we can get all this old stuff out. This is just some cleaner for the ABS. You don't need primer. Alright. Got it in through the joist, down through the wall, into that Y at the bottom. Now I'm waiting on one more coupling. I have the piece, but it's too long. I can't get it between the floor joists, so I've got to wait for a coupling. I'll probably end up cutting this in half and then just putting it in 2 pieces. And then we're done. Five-eighths. Well, my new handy dandy expanding tool is a 1/2 inch. 3/8, or 3/4 rather. 3/8, and 1 inch. Guess what size it doesn't have? So, not sure what to do.